Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Marescaux Road in the Crossroads area. Now on the left is the Woolmouse Girls School. Also on the left, I don't think the camera will pick it up, is the Woolmouse Boys School. And now this on the left is the Michael Teachers College, very large institution. On the right is the National Water Commission location. The NWC's head office is also at the location on the right. And when you think of Marescaux Road, it's actually the Water Commission location that's the most popular location. Alright, we're now coming to the intersection with Caledonia Avenue. It's a one-way, so there's just one way to go. On the left is the Department of Health office, a government agency. Now if we went straight, we would go into like the heart of Crossroads. But we're going to stay on Caledonia Avenue and go on to Camp Road. On the right is the Caledonia Business Center. Okay, on the left now is the Nuttall Medical Center, but also Nuttall also has a hospital on the compound where you would enter here, the Nuttall Memorial Hospital. Okay, at this intersection, if we turn left, we would go on to Marescaux Road, but we're going to go straight and go on to Camp Road. Now, straight ahead, that's the Jamaica Defense Force base called Up Park Camp. It's the main base in Jamaica, it's the headquarters, and it's also the largest military base in Jamaica. They have other bases, one in Monique and one up in, I don't remember the name of that hill now, but up in the Blue Mountains, and they also have a base in Montego Bay. But this one straight in front is the largest. Alright, on the left here now is where it used to be the old entrance, but the base has grown so much and it's so much traffic going in and out that entrance kept blocking up the traffic all the way back up to Marescaux Road. So a new gate was built, or a new entrance called the Cannonball Gate, and we're going to take a look at it now. And this is now the main entrance to the base. See, as you can see, there's now a stoplight to control the flow of traffic. You have a turning lane, very nicely done. This is the kind of progress you like to see. There's a sign, Jamaica Defense Force, Cannonball Gate, Up Park Camp. We're not going to go in there today. We actually have videos of driving through the base and of the construction of the gate as it was going along. Alright, so we're going to go back on to Camp Road now. But if we go straight across, we'll go on to Arnold Road. But we're going to turn left and take Camp Road down to South Camp Road. And if you turn right, that would be Camp Road, but it takes you back to Crossroads. Okay, so on the left now is a prison called Gun Court. And then now on the left, or now where you see the blue building, that's the JCF facility called Hammond Barracks. Alright, so if we went straight, we would go on to South Camp Road. So we're going to turn left here and head on to Greenery Road. Okay, so this is the Vineyard Town area. If we turn left here, we would enter the Hammond Barracks, actually the Jamaican Constabulary Specialized Operations Unit. That's the name on the gate. Alright, so we're now on Greenery Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.